Welcome, energy seekers and wellness warriors. Imagine waking up every day feeling rejuvenated and invigorated, ready to conquer whatever life throws your way without relying on sugary energy drinks or caffeine crashes. In today's video, we're diving into 10 healthy drinks that boost your energy naturally, a comprehensive journey through nature's own energy elixirs. Whether you're a busy professional, a fitness enthusiast, or someone who simply craves a natural, sustained energy lift, get ready to be hooked from the very first word as we explore these invigorating beverages that not only taste amazing, but also work wonders for your body and mind. Let's get started. Golden Turmeric Latte. Imagine a warm, velvety drink that feels like a cozy embrace from within. That's the Golden Turmeric Latte for you. In this section, we explore the benefits of turmeric's active compound, curcumin, which is renowned for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Combined with the creaminess of almond milk and a hint of black pepper to enhance absorption, this latte not only delivers a soothing, aromatic experience, but also fuels your body with natural energy. As you sip this golden goodness, you're not just treating your taste buds, you're inviting a natural detox that combats oxidative stress and promotes overall wellness. Picture yourself on a chilly morning, wrapped in a blanket of flavor and health, ready to embrace the day with renewed vigor. Green Matcha Elixir. Step into the world of ancient traditions with the vibrant emerald green matcha elixir. Unlike regular green tea, matcha offers a concentrated dose of antioxidants, amino acids, and a moderate amount of caffeine that provides a smooth, sustained energy boost without the jitters. We break down how the L-theanine in matcha works in synergy with its natural caffeine content to promote a state of calm alertness, perfect for deep work sessions or mindful meditation. Imagine whisking a bowl of matcha as its frothy texture dances in the bowl, its earthy aroma inviting you to take that first energizing sip that clears the mind and sharpens focus. Beetroot Boost Juice, for those seeking a drink that marries both beauty and brawn. The Beetroot Boost Juice is a standout contender. This ruby red elixir is not just visually stunning, but also incredibly potent in enhancing blood flow and oxygen delivery throughout the body. Packed with nitrates, beetroot juice supports cardiovascular health and improves stamina, making it a favorite among athletes and busy professionals alike. As we detail the process of blending fresh beets with a splash of citrus and a hint of ginger, envision the drink working at a cellular level to increase your endurance and revitalize your energy stores naturally. Coconut water, revitalizer. Nothing says natural hydration like a chilled glass of coconut water. Sourced straight from nature's own hydrating reservoir, coconut water is rich in electrolytes like potassium and magnesium that keep you balanced and energized throughout the day. In our discussion, we highlight how this drink is a perfect post-workout refreshment, replenishing lost fluids and ensuring your muscles recover optimally. Think of a tropical escape in a glass. Each sip a mini vacation that not only quenches your thirst, but also recharges your body with essential nutrients and natural sugars that provide an immediate boost of vitality. Fresh Citrus Energizer. Bursting with the zing and zest of nature's most vibrant fruits, the Fresh Citrus Energizer is a true citrus celebration. This drink, which combines freshly squeezed oranges, grapefruits, and lemons, is a powerhouse of vitamin C and antioxidants that fortify your immune system while delivering an energizing burst of flavor. The tangy, refreshing taste stimulates your senses and elevates your mood instantly. As we detail the simple steps to prepare this revitalizing juice at home, imagine the bright colors and invigorating aroma transforming your morning routine into a ritual of pure, natural energy and radiant health. Berry Antioxidant Blast. Dive into a pool of vibrant berries with the Berry Antioxidant Blast. a drink that not only dazzles your eyes with its rich hues, but also packs a serious nutritional punch. This blend of blueberries, strawberries, and raspberries is loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and fiber that support cognitive function and help combat free radicals. In this section, we explore how these tiny superfoods work collectively to reduce inflammation, boost mental clarity, and keep your energy levels soaring. Picture yourself indulging in this berry-infused magic, feeling the natural sweetness and nutritional richness fueling every cell in your body, making it a delicious way to energize your day. Herbal Infusion Tonic. Step away from the ordinary and into the realm of herbal infusions with a tonic that balances both body and mind. This section introduces you to a unique blend of herbs like ginseng, ginger, and mint, each selected for its ability to naturally elevate energy levels and enhance cognitive function. As you prepare this herbal tonic, notice how the subtle interplay of flavors creates a symphony on your palate, while the adaptogenic properties of ginseng and the soothing touch of mint work together to reduce stress and invigorate your spirit. This drink is not just a beverage. It's a carefully crafted ritual that transforms your daily hydration into a mindful practice of wellness and alertness. Protein-packed nut smoothie. For those mornings when you need a powerhouse drink that combines the benefits of healthy fats, proteins, and natural sugars, the protein-packed nut smoothie is your go-to solution. In this segment, we explore how blending almond butter, a handful of walnuts, a scoop of protein powder, and a splash of oat milk creates a drink that satisfies hunger and fuels sustained energy release. This smoothie is perfect for busy mornings, offering a balanced mix of nutrients that support muscle repair and brain function. Imagine the creamy, nutty flavor, providing you with both the comfort of a hearty meal and the invigorating boost necessary to kickstart your day with strength and determination. Apple cider vinegar. Elixir. Prepare to be surprised by the transformative powers of the apple cider vinegar elixir. Often celebrated in natural wellness circles, this drink combines apple cider vinegar with water, a dash of honey, and a sprinkle of cinnamon to create a tangy tonic that aids digestion and regulates blood sugar levels. As we walk you through the benefits of this elixir, picture it working quietly behind the scenes to improve metabolic functions and enhance your body's ability to process energy more efficiently. Its bold flavor is a wake-up call for your digestive system, setting the stage for a day of balanced energy and renewed vitality, making it a unique yet accessible option for anyone looking to optimize their health naturally. Chia Seed Hydration. Drink, last but certainly not least, we unveil the Chia Seed Hydration Drink, a remarkable blend that transforms simple water into an energy-boosting powerhouse. As chia seeds swell with liquid, they create a gel-like consistency that is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, and antioxidants. This drink not only quenches your thirst but also provides a slow, sustained release of energy as the seeds gradually digest, ensuring you remain alert and vibrant throughout the day. In our final segment, we emphasize the simplicity and versatility of this drink, which can be enhanced with a splash of lemon or a drizzle of honey for an extra burst of flavor. Visualize each sip as a small yet mighty source of nourishment, keeping you hydrated, focused, and ready to take on any challenge that comes your way. As we wrap up this deep dive into the world of natural energy-boosting drinks, let the transformative power of these beverages inspire you to make healthier choices every day. Each drink has its unique blend of flavors and nutrients designed to complement your lifestyle, whether you're seeking a morning wake-up call or an afternoon pick-me-up. The key is to experiment with these recipes, adjust them to your taste, and integrate them into your daily routine in a way that feels natural and empowering. Remember, the journey to natural energy is not just about the drink itself, but about the mindfulness and intention you bring to each sip. Allow these beverages to be more than just a source of hydration. Let them become a ritual that connects you with nature, supports your well-being, and fuels your inner strength. If you found these ideas inspiring, don't forget to like, Subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update on more healthy living tips and natural energy hacks. Join our community of like-minded individuals who are transforming their lives one healthy choice at a time. In closing, each of these 10 healthy drinks has the potential to revolutionize your daily energy levels, turning ordinary moments into opportunities for vitality and wellness. So go ahead, choose your favorite, mix it up, and let nature's bounty energize your life. The power to feel fantastic is within your grasp, and with these recipes, you're well on your way to a more vibrant, dynamic version of yourself. Cheers to natural energy, good health, and a life filled with endless possibilities. Thank you for watching, and may your days be as energized and inspiring as the drinks we've explored today. Stay healthy, stay energized, and remember, your best self is just a sip away.